Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make inside-out shepherd pie. This is awesome for St. Patrick's Day. It's awesome for any night of the week. You can really change it up however you like, put things in there you like, leave things out that you don't like. It's very versatile. So let me show you how we do it. Okay, first we are going to add 2 pounds of ground beef to our pan, our skillet. While we're browning the meat, just know I have already started some potatoes back here boiling. I've got 6 medium-sized potatoes, which is what we are going to use for our inside-out shepherd pie. It's gonna be amazing! So excited. It's gonna be really good. Because I know that the fat content in this hamburger is very, very low, I'm not gonna be taking some grease out. I'm gonna actually start with adding some Worcestershire sauce. You know, everyone knows how to say that. I can't. Worcestershire, that one. Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire, I don't know, whatever. We're gonna put it in. We're gonna do about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the sauce we can't say. Now, if your fat content of your beef is, if you know you're gonna be draining some off, don't, drain it first before you put that in, otherwise you're gonna be draining that back out. All right, because I'm impatient, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt in there. Just a little, because we're gonna add some other things in here that have their own salt with them, so we don't wanna overdo it. We can always add later if we want, but you can't take it away, so. All right, our hamburger is cooked through. Okay, we are gonna be adding in a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half of beef bouillon. This is the low sodium one, just so you know. I've got about a tablespoon of ground rosemary. And about a teaspoon of thyme. We're gonna add a teaspoon-ish of coarse black pepper. Adjust as needed, of course, for your family. Okay, give it a stir here because I don't like things to stick real good. All right. I'm gonna add in a cup, thereabouts, of ketchup. That should be good. I kind of eyeball this, but you're gonna probably use about a cup. That looks pretty close. All right, give that a mix. There we go. That looks better. I am going to fill this up probably about to there, quarter of the way, maybe, ish, of some warm water and dump it in there. There we go. That looks really good. It smells really good. It's gonna be really good. All right, we don't want that to go crazy, so I'm gonna turn this down to make sure that it just slowly simmers. We're waiting for our potatoes to catch up here. So I've got it kind of on a low to a medium, depending on how yours functions. And we're gonna add in our vegetables. You can do whatever mix you would like. Some people prefer just to do the can of mixed vegetables, fresh, frozen. It's totally up to you. Put things in you like, leave things out that you don't like. The goal here is to put about 3 cups of fresh or frozen, canned, whatever, vegetable in it. So for mine, I have corn. I have some frozen peas. I have diced carrots. And I have some green beans. Okay, I'm gonna gently give that a stir here because I don't want to mush anything. There we go. I'm gonna let that heat up, and I'm gonna check on my potatoes right now while that is coming back up to temperature, okay? Our potatoes are out. They are molten lava, so we're gonna start adding our butter and our cream to it, or our half and half, while they are hot. Okay. Get that butter melted. I'm gonna add some of this cream. Whoa, in the bowl. Okay, I'm not adding all of it, but let's blend this. Okay, I'm at a point where I can add some more of that cream, so we're gonna do that. As long as it cooperates this time. There we go. All right, so now we're gonna add in, we're not quite done with our blending, but I'm gonna add in some parsley, about a 1/4 cup. This is for some added flair. Add a little bit more cream because it's getting a little gluten-y here, which is probably the wrong word for a potato because that's more starchy, but you know, you got the picture. I like mine a little bit rustic. If you want to keep blending yours until they are absolutely creamy, go for it. I'm not going to do that, but it's pretty close. All right, so I'm going to add this to the bottom of our baking dish. I've greased it with some butter. If you want to add cooking spray, that's fine. It's just added precaution so it doesn't get all stuck there. I'm going to just lay that in the pan first. Yes, this is still shepherd pie. This is the inside out part. Because I always find that spreading potatoes on top of a whole bunch of little pieces of meat and vegetables does not always go as planned. So we're gonna do things backwards. So you could do this for opposite day, you know? If you wanna do that, do that. Now the name of the game here is not to make it just like you're making a cake or brownies, or you don't want it flat, because you're gonna make a nice little nest for the rest of this to go into. So we're thinking more like pie crust, right? Kind of go up the sides. Okay, it doesn't have to be all beautiful. It doesn't. It's all gonna taste the same. So just as long as we have a little bit of a well and it's up the sides a bit, you are A-okay. See? Parfait. We're done. Okay, now we are gonna spoon our filling on the top. Let's get it closer so I don't spill it on the floor, because I would. Oh, this smells delicious. Now I'm not smashing this down, mind you. I'm just kind of giving it a little bit of a snuggle, because there are some little pockets down there that we want to make sure we fill in. So now, if you have a favorite Sloppy Joe recipe, or if you have a favorite shepherd pie recipe, or if you have, I mean, just use this as kind of a guide, right? You can do so many things with this concept. Use yours if you prefer it, and let me know how it turns out. You know, do it inside out. See what your family thinks. See what your kids think. I think they're gonna be like, wow, this is so cool. All right, I have a preheated oven, 350 degrees. I'm gonna stick this in. It's still pretty warm. All of it's still pretty warm. So we're not gonna be going forever, but I'm gonna make sure that it's all heated through. Probably about 25 minutes. Oh. This one's a tiny oven, so there we go. See you in 25 minutes. All right, our alarm has gone off. We're gonna check it, pull it out, and then devour it. Woo, looks mighty tasty. There we go. I can tell that they are a little bit brown on the bottom, which is perfect, is what I want. It's brown on the top, which is also what I want. I'm so excited. Okay, we're digging in. Yeah, baby. Molten lava. I didn't let this stand very long, by the way. You probably want to let yours stand for just a little bit longer than I am, because I'm impatient. Okay. Time to dig in. Because I'm hungry. This is gonna be molten lava, so I gotta go slow. But it smells amazing, it looks amazing. Okay, hang on. Okay, we're gonna do it. Ready? Oh yeah, that is the ticket. Especially on a cold night tonight. This is really, really gonna warm us up. Let me know if you try it. Let me know if you make any adjustments, what you like, what you didn't like. I'd love to hear your comments down below. And I'm gonna go eat my dinner. See ya.